New health monitoring features powered by AirPods coming soon. Well, we knew about this because other companies have done this. They're like, why don't we just get the heart rate right in the ear? You're wearing the pods. Why you got to wear the watch? You got the app. Mm-hmm. We could just get the heart rate, track the fitness right in the ear there, and then eliminate one device. It's kind of convenient. Sometimes you don't want to wear the watch, and you're listening to music anyway. No, I don't know if they can do some of the more advanced stuff. I don't think you're doing any type of ECG over there, but heart rate, I think, no problem. Apple itself has acknowledged the health potential of AirPods, teasing that it's an area in which it's heavily investing. Now, Bloomberg reports that we can expect Apple to launch new health features for AirPods sometime in the next year or two. In the latest edition of his Power On newsletter, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman says that Apple intends to upgrade the AirPods to become a health tool in the next year or two. A health tool. I mean, does he say exactly? I believe Apple intends to upgrade the AirPods to become a health tool in the next year or two with the ability to get hearing data of some sort. Interesting.
Hearing tests?
Shout out, Steven. The AirPods have long had a feature called Live Listen that can boost audio from across a room. So he's talking about hearing aids. I thought they were going to go the direction of heart rate monitoring and fitness, but they're actually, think about how big the market is for hearing aids and the difficulty in, well, probably even determining that there's a hearing ailment. You can probably walk around for a long time with subpar hearing without feedback suggesting that you could benefit from some kind of enhancement. You know, it was like, what? What? Huh? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, that's me. I have like some sort of permanent hearing loss.
Well, what were you doing? It's ever since you got those whiskers, you're trying to show off.
It would be around that time.
Yeah, you're trying to show off.
But I guess you would have to be wearing it all the time, like a hearing aid, right?
Well, I don't know. I think it could be used in two ways. I think that there might be a possibility of having it as a diagnostic tool to essentially say, hey, maybe you could benefit from boosting the transparency. Maybe you could even, from a hardware perspective, enhance the external microphones on there. And then also maybe you could have warnings based on volume, and like there's a lot of ways this could be implemented.
Sure.
But I think there's a lot of people wearing some sort of hearing aid style device, and so if the AirPod can absorb some of that, that could be big business.